Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on linking your PS4 account to a YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. In Account Management, open Link with Other Services. Select YouTube from the list of services. Click the Link button and it will open the Google login page. Sign in to your Google account there and then click Next. If you have multiple YouTube accounts on the same Google account, you will be asked which channel you want to link. Your PS4 account will then be linked to your YouTube channel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.